legalizing marijuana. There were people demonstrating. They came and handed over the petition. I'm told that the petition handed somewhere, whether at the cabinet or level or individual minister, I don't know. But Chapter 3, Article 8, 2B, on page 7, respect for human dignity. Meaning, we cannot legalize. I see people saying, no, America legalized, South Africa, Zimbabwe. Those are their countries. We are on our own. When we fought, we never fought to come and legalize drugs here. Because a person, Comrade Speaker, a person who drink liquor and is drunk, you can see. But a person who uses drugs, you find somebody, young man walking in the street, in the middle of the street, with arms just this way. What are you doing? I'm driving an airplane. In the street. These people is madness. We cannot, it's madness.
On the point of order, Honorable Benani.
Elder Member of Parliament.
Okay.
But on a point of
Can you wait for the light?
On a point of information, Honorable Tateguru, Honorable Jerry Ekandjo, I think there is a difference. You are generalizing the debate now. There is a difference with legalizing drugs for consumption purposes of using it as a drug. With legalizing drugs, the countries that you are mentioning, South Africa, Lesotho, Zimbabwe, are growing drugs, marijuana and the rest. But they are growing them for pharmaceutical reasons. Because even if you go to a hospital or a clinic or a pharmacy, you say, I want drugs. Because the content, some of the content that is in the pills that we are using, the ingredient come from those drugs. So when you are saying legalizing drugs, Lesotho, South Africa, Zimbabwe, for example, have legalized growing drugs for pharmaceutical purposes, and not legalizing drugs the way that it is legalized in Canada, where you can use cannabis at free will. I just wanted us to make a distinction.
Yes.
Honorable people who were demonstrating, they were not demonstrating to allow drugs to be sold through pharmacy, etc. They were demanding that they must smoke in public. That was their aim. They wanted to smoke in public. That if you go into the corner, you come into a shop, people are lining up at ATM, then they must smoke there, waiting their time. They wanted to, their demand is to smoke freely like people smoke cigarettes. If somebody is ill and needs prescribed by the doctor, that is something else. If somebody, a woman is pregnant, and the doctor found that no, I think you will lose your life. You can consult your family whether we can take out the child. That is something else. But not to say if a person is today is absent, whether a person has got a pregnant and no threat, just because I don't want the baby, just throw away. No. The same also with the drugs. Those people who were demonstrating here, they are in Malala pipes. Some of them.
Why are they Malala pipes?
So you cannot think.
Because you turn them into Malala
Those
pipes.
people, you cannot those people to say that smoke freely.
But you are casting serious
They walk in the street, they set the threat. We must not. Once it comes here,
Honorable Jerry Ekandjo,
we will.
Honorable Jerry Ekandjo, let me share this piece of the piece of information with you. Actually, the issue that you are raising, whether the question of drugs, whether the question of abortion, these issues are being addressed by the parliamentary standing committees, and they are being there is a hearing taking place at the coast, and those issues, once they have been reported on by those committees, they will be tabled here for discussion. So we are not yet there. Honorable Member, please continue. I just wanted to share that piece of information. Yes, please.
Comrade Speaker, respect for human dignity, Article 8, sub-article 2B. No person shall be subject to torture or to cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment. If you allow that, Comrade Speaker, you can make laws, we can make laws, we say only those people who must do A, B, C. But once it is on the market, even the people themselves, even we who are here, if you find your child come home drunk with drugs in the pocket, are you going to say, oh, just put my son?
Okay.
So once it comes here, we will not allow it. Just make it be it. Is lesbian. This, the recent court case brought by the Ministry of Home Affairs, when those people took the Ministry of Home Affairs to the court, their lawyers were arguing.
I think that issue is still before courts, isn't it?
I'm going to speak it. Comrade Speaker,
yes.
let me just, even if it is before the court, we can mention it here, we can also comment on it.
No, the idea, if the issue is before courts, it is not for us to...
Leave that one.
Yeah.
That one I leave.
Yeah.
But coming to lesbian, comrade, gays, we should not allow it here. Why we should not allow gays here in Namibia? We cannot allow, Comrade Speaker, a male person to insert his penis into the ass of another man. Is it what we want here?
No.
We cannot allow.
No. I think, Honorable Jerry Ekandjo, thank you very much. Yes. I think obviously we don't want the language you use. No, I think let's leave it at that. The debate is the budget. Please. Jerry Ekandjo, come back to the debate on the budget review. Yeah.
Suppose you are in the village, you arrived home, you see your male dog. All the village male dogs are running behind your male dog. Are you going to stay with that dog? If you find you've got a gay dog, all the male dogs in the village run behind your dog. Secondly, if you arrived home, when you arrived home, whether you are
on a point of order, yes.
Thank you so much, Honorable Speaker. I just wanted to find out where we are on the agenda in terms of discussion. Just for clarity.
Yes.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you. Honorable Jerry Ekandjo, please.
Okay, let me round off.
Honestly,
let me round off, Comrade Speaker.
We are on the budget review. I think there are enough information to deal with there. Yeah. Could you come back?
Yeah,
let's forget all those things.
Okay.
Yeah. Please.
Okay. What I'm saying, Comrade Speaker, we might say it's private. Is there a private thing? We might say that, Comrade Speaker, you were in the Constituent Assembly. In the whole chapters of this Constitution, all the chapters, articles talk of all persons shall have the right to do this. All persons shall have the right to do this. But when it comes to the marriage, we made it clear when we were drafting. We said that men and women shall have the right to marry, to make a family. That is all why we talk men and women. If we wanted gay, we could have said all persons shall have the right to marry. We make it clear when we were drafting the Constitution that no men and women shall have the right to. That is how we made the Constitution.
I think we.
The Constitution doesn't allow
Yes.
gays and lesbians here.
Okay. Okay.
Otherwise, we could have said all persons shall have the right to marry and form a family.
Okay. Okay.
That is the only chapter where you find men and women when it comes to the family. The other one, Comrade Speaker, even if that one comes here, we'll throw it away. We are not going to do.
On a point of order.
The other one, Comrade Speaker.
On a point of order, please. Yes, Honorable Kaya Begotora.
Honorable Speaker, on a point of order, there was a request to find out at which item are we discussing now,
The general debate, second reading.
and I think
Yes.
that question was very, very valid,
Yes.
and I think the Speaker will
Second
just have to
reading, you
make a
talk
ruling.
everything.
Secondly, I think Honorable Ekandjo must be called to order in terms of the language that he's using. I think it's totally unparliamentary, and as a matter of fact, I think he just moved out of the race.
Yeah.
He's totally out of the race. So please
Thank
let's
you
come
very
back to the
much.
budget.
Honorable Jerry Ekandjo, let me just remind you, I know it's a general debate, but honestly, are those priority area for you now? Or can you come a bit much more closer to the budget review?
Comrade. Comrade.
Please. No.
Yes.
No, that language, no, we don't need to indulge in that. We don't need to glorify things like that. Let's be down to earth and deal with the real issue, bread and butter issue that actually affecting our people right now. Please.
Yeah, what I said in Sierra, Comrade Sebe will translate.
No, please. Don't go there. Don't go there.
Will translate in
Yeah, no. Don't go there.
Okay, the last I've got here 5 points which I'm going to elaborate in brief. The first one is regarding the abortion, which have been taking place here. Like, for instance, the conference they had in Swapo. What I want to make clear, Comrade Speaker, Article 6 of the Namibian Constitution, Chapter 3, talk of the protection of life. Protection of life. Death sentence is not permitted by the Namibian Constitution. If it happened that idea or a piece of paper comes into this house for discussion or debate, we cannot introduce death sentence through backdoor. It is clear protection of life. Whether you shoot a person is forbidden, whether you kill him or abortion him, or give him poison and the person dies, all is prohibited. This idea comes from the Western countries, those NGOs. And most of those NGOs from Europe, if you check them, they are single mothers or single husbands. They are not married people. You hardly find a married person supporting this. So, my request to the executive, if it comes to your table, don't bring it here. If you bring it here, we tear it apart. It's just what I want to say.
Thank you.